Hi there, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This video is about bypassing the softener, the water softener. There are some occasions when you'll have a problem with the flow going to the cold water storage tank or the flow going to the system. You can see on here you have the incoming and outcoming on the water softener. If there was a problem with my water softener, I could do a temporary fix by bypassing the water softener. Do you see? So that is my bypass. On my system, you see, come in here, cold water, it goes down here, then comes up here, goes in, then out, and down here, and then to the rest of the building. But this is my bypass over here. Alright, hope that's helped you. Until next time, bye bye bye.